she has.
siguro ano, wait, ako yung nagtatanong. Kunwari ako, may boyfriend ako. And then, may lumalandi sa akin ibang guy. Pero ako, kinakausap ko siya, pero hindi ko siya nilalandi.
Yeah, but are you entertaining it?
No, hindi ko nga siya
Did you shut it? Did you shut it down?
Nakakausap ko rin siya.
Did you shut it down?
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Did you shut it down? Then you're not cheating.
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Eh, kunwari, teka lang!
Siya.
Kunwari, ano, nagtanong lang siya, ganun. Tapos, nakipagkwentuhan sa grade, tapos cut na. That's cheating.
If you talk for a bit, what did you say?
Hindi sa first ex ko pa naman.
Anong sinabi mo?
I don't really remember because I was working that time.
Oh, that doesn't count.
Hindi na siya compare. Pero sa relationship, I've never.
But you've never cheated.
How can I magpapasok ng relationship? Why?
I've only been in 2 relationships.
Oh, I've been in 1 relationship. I have 3. Or like, hindi sila counted. Yeah, so hindi sila counted. So technically,
Dito nadaan yan.
Napaisip ka
bakit
ba?
kayo? Why did you guys broke up?
Ano siya? Tagalog doon talaga siya? Amerika.
Yeah, same.
Ano ba? Like American person? Amerikana ba? Amerikana. What breed?
Oh, you like Filipina.
Pero may girlfriend ka na ano? Na hindi mo siya.
Ay, eto. Meron pala ako, naka-fling. Taga-Indonesia siya. No, it's not kasi it's famous at Rainbow. Super like, oh. And then, you know kung ano ginagawa ko para magkaintindihan kami. Sometimes,
Ano yun eh? Container.
yeah, pero like, minsan lang yun. Hindi ko alam yung word na yun in English. So, minsan, nagsisearch ang about ako para may makwento doon sa kanal niya. Tapos, yung kapling ko na yan na taga-Indonesia, che, matangkad na mo rin. Sabi ko, daw matangkad na mo rin. Ano, balak ko pa magkalapat. Look! Alam mo yung parang yung, kailan lang yan? Bata pa lang yung no, wait, I'm serious! It's like 20, no? 23. Pero tapos ako parang, ano lang ako noon? 15. Gato. Charot.
I will not tell you guys that really.
Ako din. Alam mo, ang pinakikukwento ko paglabas dito. Yung pinaka-recent.
Oh, yun.
Ate, pag narinig mo yun, I feel. Ay, hindi ka kasama, Che, kami na naman.
Appear nga, appear.
Ano, ba't ganyan pag-react? Ikaw, bakit kinag-break?
Ay, hindi.
It was mutual
And then, why?
because we stopped talking.
Ano sinabi niya?
Yeah, we were just like, we haven't spoken for a while.
Yun na yun.
What's been going on? We spoke about it.
Sabi mo?
Yeah. Because I was just like, I know that yeah, we haven't spoken. Because parang every month we would further and further away from each other. Like,
Oh, LDR pala sa'yo.
no, it's not LDR.
Ako,
Pero may na-girlfriend ka na hindi Filipino.
I wouldn't say girlfriend. I wouldn't classify it. Yeah.
Tapos, nag-date na kayo.
For ikaw, do you prefer Filipino or not? in technical.
I don't have a preference. Because I live in London, I don't have a preference.
Ikaw, what do you want?
I mean,
Ako talaga, kahit saan ako magpuntang country, I love Pinoy. Never akong nag-enjoy sa may mga dahil. Ay, kahit paano pumasok siya dito? Wala siyang girlfriend.
Sino ba? Sino ba si Kylie Kat? Sino ba?
Sorry, bro.
Wala siyang girlfriend.
Sino yan?
I thought he was with Anna.
No?
Ay, hindi ba sila?
No, bro.
Sino yan?
No!
What was it, Jonah?
Basketball player?
Ano, first love relationship. Sa asa? Kasi he's waiting. Sa asa?
Oh, emo.
Oy!
Kinsa man na!
Pumayag ka dito.
Tell. Kylie sorry.
Si JM daw. Parang ka ba?
You're gonna lose my breath.
Uy, may tao!
Hi.
Darren.
Crazy, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Mama, bro.
Uy, nakachinilas, may.
Let's meet her, bro.
Meron nga, tama ang doorbell. Isa. Sabi sa'yo eh. One and